Hello and welcome to the Ministry of JavaScript. In the previous video we have learned about the push method of an array. In this video we will be learning about the unshift method of an array. Basically, unshift is a prototype method of an array, and what does unshift do? Unshift will add the value in the beginning of an array. Let's suppose we have an array of numbers here, and what I want to do is basically I want to add the 0 in the beginning of this array. Then how can I do that? I will just come over here and write arr.unshift, and I will say 0. And if I come over here and console.log the arr, as you can see that the 0 has been added in the beginning of an array. Similarly, if I want to add anything inside the strings array of a string, then what I can do, arr.unshift, and I want to add David in the beginning. When I come over here and console.log, as you can see that David has been added to our array list. Similarly to the string, if we want, let's suppose we have an array of an object, and we want to add a new object in the beginning of an array. Then how can we do that? We can come over here and write unshift, and we can assign our object, like name is going to be David and age is going to be 30. And if I come over here and console.arr, as you can see that David and age 30 has been added in the beginning of an array. So this is what you can do with the unshift method, and this is what if you, for example, if you want to add any element in the beginning of an any number, any string, any object in the beginning of an array, then you can use the unshift method. So that's all from this video. I will see you in the next. Have a nice day.